What is up, YouTube? Cognator 411 here, bringing you the 411 on all your latest tech news. Today I have for you an unboxing of the Escort Redline. This is my new radar detector I picked up. I was reading reviews and apparently this one has the longest distance. It can be used to pick up different radar frequencies and different band types. It also has the best off-axis reading as well, so it can get pretty much all the way around in a 360-degree field. As you can see on the box, it is compatible with Escort Live, which I also got, so be sure to check out my unboxing of that. I'll post a annotation to the video right here. Pretty simple box. There's the front. Here is the back. I will zoom in on that and let you guys check out some of the features there. I don't know if that's going to focus. So let's get cracking into it. Still has the cellophane wrapping on it. Alright, so now that the cellophane's off, let's go ahead and crack into the box here. Just your standard box. Throw that out of the way. Now inside the box we do have the Escort product catalog. And the radar detector itself comes in a nice hard shell case. It does say Escort on the front. On the back it says nothing. Opening the case, we have on the back here all of your literature and everything you would need there. It's kind of hard to tell, but the radar detector itself, that would be it. And you get your power cable and your dash and or window mounting suction cups. I may do a review on this one, guys. I may not. I don't know too much about radar detectors. I had to do a lot of research to figure out that this was the one I wanted to go with. Price on it's $4.99. I got it right off Escort's website because they are having a 12-month payment. No interest, actually. What they do is they use your own credit or debit card and they just bill right to your card 12 months. That's all I got for you guys today. Like the channel, subscribe. If you do have any questions or anything like that, feel free to send me a message, leave a comment on the video. And that's all I got for you guys today. Have a good one.